Okay, so in today's look, I'm using Sunflushed from MAC from the Christmas collection, holiday collection, and it comes now in a extra dimension skin finish form last year, and it's 10 grams, I believe. Yeah, last year it was a small pot like an eyeshadow, but exact the same color. I don't have that one, but I saw like blogs and YouTubers talking about that, and it's exactly the same thing. So really pretty color, especially for the eyes, I think. Maybe a bit less for the highlighting or kind of blush kind of thing because of the pretty intense neon pink glitter shimmer that goes on it. But maybe after I buffed it out that it's okay. So thanks again for watching. Use all your makeup and colors and shimmers and glitters, and hope to see you next time. On my lids I have already this Bourjois concealer. What is it called? It's very nice to have like as a primer or, you know, concealer primer. Radiance Reveal, that's what it's called. So very nice. I hope it won't be noisy because they're building a house in the back. Yeah, of course they are. Okay, so today I will use this MAC highlighter as my eyeshadow. So this is the one from the holiday collection, and I got just this one thing because I thought it looked really interesting. And I saw a lot of reviews about this one, about last year's collection from Christmas, being this one being an eyeshadow in a smaller pot, and now it's like a highlighter, whereas I don't know if I can use it as a highlighter because it's pretty dark. Maybe has a golden, green, pink shift to it with some serious shimmer, I think. Yeah, so I will just do a swatch here. So that kind of duochrome going. It's very pretty though. And let's see if I can just, my hands are so kind of green. Like, that's very strong swatch. Does it even show? I'm not so sure. Now if I blend this out a bit and buff it in, it becomes really like, now you can hardly see it on my skin. So the base color kind of disappears, and then you have just the pink neon kind of shimmer to it. But I will use it on my eyes and see, you know, whether I like it on my, I will probably try it on my cheek, because why not, you know. So I decided to use two Dior eyeshadow palettes together with this. And this one is Incognito. It's one of the older versions. And I will use probably the gray maybe together with this one for the crease. That's what I came to think of. And the other palette from Dior that I'm going to use is this one called Hypnotize. Like that. I think this one was a limited edition. Not sure, but you know, colors like this. And then of course this beauty from MAC. This one from MAC is a extra dimension skin finish, and there's 10 grams in it, and it's snow flushed. So I'm taking this fluffy brush. This one is from MaritMakeupManicure. It's very soft, and it's 192. I think I will take the middle color actually from here. See if it's any color into it for my eye. Well, a little bit. Then I will take the gray, I think. See if it will give a little bit more. I will just put it on top because I think the other one was a little bit meh for the crease. I think I will just take these two on the brow bone, these light ones here. I mean, they're really basic colors, let's say. I think I'll go into this one, this dark brown here, with a smaller brush. Okay, so I will try with this one. It's actually a fluff brush from MaritMakeupManicure. But I will take this darker color from here now then. A little bit for the outer corner before I start with this fun MAC color. Yeah. So I will probably have to pack this one on a bit. There's some shimmer in it, but you know, when you put it on here, it's kind of, the shimmer kind of goes away. It's a little bit blah shimmer, I think. I'm really packing it on just like that. And there's a reason why I don't set the, usually I don't set the concealer or something when I do my eye makeup, because if you don't and you want something to stick to it, I mean, those already kind of go over smoothly. And then here where you want things to go a bit more stronger maybe, you don't need a special, let's say like a kohl pencil or something like that, or eye pencil to go under with. Anyway, it gets really like good results like that. Under the eye, I think I will go with this matte, really pretty brown from here. Same brush, just on the tip of it, you know. Also, I'm taking it in here and blending a bit this other one with it. Okay, so now it's time for this, I think, for this one here. And brush like this, it's from Ashley Waxman, and it's actually for glitter. The glitter please, it says on it. That's kind of cute. So, taking some of this, and it has a very strong duochrome. I don't know if it will tell like that. There, I think you can see the pink and then the strong golden green. Yeah. Okay, so here it goes. Hopefully it will stick to the... That's pretty. The MAC Sun Flushed. I also used it with, like wet with mineral eyeshadow sealant to get this really like shimmery foil kind of look. And it might be that this is all I'm gonna tape, like I'm just gonna do like pictures after, but I'm gonna try and use this one. Maybe not by itself, but you know, to begin with by itself probably. And if I need to lighten it up, I will use just a lighter highlighter or powder, you know, with it. But it is very pretty though. I thought to mention this nail polish also. It's like a pretty fall color. Piazza Cake from OPI. Really pretty. And muted orangey brown kind of thing. So anyways, I used this kohl pencil from Smashbox, brown version, Java, in the waterline and the tight line width, but didn't go all the way inside. Just, you know, 2/3 maybe. Now we just do the foundation and probably set it before I'm back to do something more fun on the cheeks. This color might be far too much, but I realized if you buff it in, it doesn't look that strong even on my skin tone. After I used this Snow Flushed, this one that I used here from MAC, this one, here, and I really buffed it in, I used this light one from this trio from MAC as well, the Hyper Real Glow. This is the pinker version, and I used it just here that it won't be so dark. It was a little bit dark here, I think. Even if with the concealer I tried to take some of it out, but then I used the lightest one, this one from here, just here a little bit to try and blend it in a bit better, because it does, you know, of course you can see it in the pan that this one is a bit dark. On the lips I will probably use this Dervish again from MAC, so I think I will use this one on the lips, color like that with this Dervish lip liner. And that's gonna have to be it, and I probably won't be able to film anymore, so I will just take some pictures and, you know, hopefully this will turn out nice. I didn't use anything else on my cheeks. I don't know if I should. I mean, it's kind of a line over there of highlight now. Maybe it should have some bronzer or something. Okay, so in the end I chose this a little bit more pink, a bit together with the other one as well on the lips, that it won't be like too strong, since the eyes aren't that strong today. So okay, so for blush anyways, I chose this Mimi Bronze from Dior. It's a really pretty kind of peachy. It's not that light actually, it looks lighter on camera. I don't know what it's doing, but you know, it's, can I show the color like this? Like that. Peachy kind of bronze, if you can call it that. I think so. So, Smashbox Brush, and How will I see where to do it? I will start up here a bit. Yeah. A bit of a lot maybe I put on. It's probably because I didn't, you know, use powder. Yeah, it's getting really stuck on the skin. So I'm using this Givenchy 4-color powder again, finishing powder, to buff the skin with. Trying to put a bit less out in the lid than usual. And I need another brush. Oh, I wanted to try and use a flat brush like this today. This one is from Il Makiage, but it's one of their old brushes, so it's a little bit stiffer. Don't know if it's the best. And I'm gonna have to go over all this today because I kind of made it far too sharp here. I don't know if I can fix it. It's nicely quiet for a while up there. Oh, this is going in the lines. This is a really pretty powder actually. And when you see it in the, or you try and swatch it, you might think that it's really shimmery, but maybe outside it's shimmery in the sun. But like this I don't see that it's shimmery. But I know it does have like shimmer particles in it, so probably the sun will make it really shimmery like everything else. Here we do have sun all the time, so not the best choice, but I'm not outside a lot in the sun anyways, so who cares? Okay, so that's kind of it then. Yeah, a little bit, a lot maybe I should spray it a bit with some of this moisturizing spray. So I hope you have a really good day, really good month, and that you're well, of course. Thanks again for watching and hope to see you next time.